So today we want to talk about something very important, not just for electricians but clients as well. So I've been getting many requests, several requests coming from some clients that their staircase had already been installed with tiles, but they want this lighting system to be set up in their apartment. They really like it. So this is the solution. So since your tiles had already been installed on your staircase and you don't want to open it or damage it for the automation lighting system to be installed in your apartment, so there is another alternative. This running lighting system. This one, it senses your presence when you begin to ascend on your staircase. It senses your presence and it turns on its own. It doesn't need a manual switch to switch it on or switch it off. It does that on its own. As soon as you step your feet on the staircase, as soon as you start moving, it turns on its own. Not just when you are ascending, it equally does the same thing when you are descending as well. It senses your presence and the light comes on its own. So now I'll be taking you on this video. I will guide you on how to install it perfectly as an electrician, ranging from the materials and how to run it perfectly. So with me here, this is the system, and I believe most electricians are used to this. This here enables you to install this staircase automation lighting setup and this running light. This is not the regular smart controller system. This one is unique. It comes with a staircase automation setup and a running wall light system. You understand? So here I will guide you on how to install it. As you all know, this system is a DC system, meaning it needs a rectifier that will help in converting AC to DC. You understand? So that being said, here is a running light, and this running light here, if you come closer to this, if you come very close to it, if you look very well, you see an arrow here. This arrow, I don't know if you bring it in. You see an arrow here. So if you look very well, the arrow is facing this side, while the back side, at the base of the arrow, on the bottom side of the arrow, that's where you run your sensor connection. Now let me show you one, because this one has already been installed, so it will be kind of difficult for you to understand perfectly. So now if you look very well, it has two ends. This one here had already been, the length had already been reduced. So this other end you see a male connector, while this other side you see a female connector, but you won't see it here because this one has already been tampered with. You understand? So what I'm trying to let you understand is this: when you want to connect it to this system, you don't connect it facing oppositely to the arrow mouth. If you look very well, come closer. If you look very well, you see this arrow mouth. Is it blurry or is it clear? Clear. You see this arrow mouth. You connect it at the base of it, not this side coming to this side. Not as if you are connecting it for it to face this side. You understand? You begin from here. So if you look very well, it has 3 points. Because this LED strip light, we have two kinds: the steady and the running one. You understand? So now this one here, this system requires you to use a running LED light to enable it move, to enable the system work effectively. So now here, this other side, you see plus 24 volt, which is a positive terminal. The middle one is the sensor, while this other side here is a negative terminal. You understand? So that being said, you send your wire directly to where this controller, this smart controller, will be installed. You understand? And this is where our smart controller will be. So the wire had already been sent to here. This is one. This one here is for this, while this one here is for the down one. You get? So if you look very well here, you see that there are 3 cables here. This one is for the sensor port, while this white color is for the negative, while the red here is for the positive. So now, how then do you connect it? So if you are new on this channel, please, if you've watched this video up to this moment, all I need from you just to hit that subscription button. Not just that, make sure you turn on your notification icon. What that notification icon does is it notifies you whenever we drop videos, educative videos that will help elevate you from one stage to another in your electrical journey. So that being said, and this system, lest I forget, this system here, we have two systems that enable us to install this light perfectly. You get this one here, as I earlier stated, it will help you in when you want to install this staircase automation lighting setup and equally install this. There's a previous video I already made where I connected this. That one I did it in Ghana. That was last year. So I connected this automation lighting system on the staircase and this one as well. When the light turns on, this one moves as well. But the system where you don't want to use this one, there's another device, another smart controller you will use just for this purpose. I decided to use this one, so I will explain this to you guys. You understand? So if you want to make use of this one alone, there's a different smart controller for that purpose. So I will make that video very soon. That's why I want you to turn on that notification icon. And that one, the configuration system of that one is different from this one. So that being said, let's begin with the connection. If you look very well, this is where our AC comes in, our AC current negative, live and neutral. While here is where the DC, which is the output. Here is the input, while here is the output. The output, we have the negative and the positive. And if you look very well here, you see plus and minus. This plus is positive, this here is negative. So here is the input. Now let's connect it. So here, as I earlier stated, this is it. This one here is for 1. So now this is where you connect it. This is where you connect it. You don't connect it this side. This side here is from this staircase automation, the one on your staircase. While this side here is for the running light, the one by the side of the wall. So this is how you connect it. If you look very well, you will see minus D plus. This here 1, 2, 3 is for 1. 1, 2, 3 is for another one. So this minus here is for negative. This plus is for positive. While the D, which is the middle one, is the sensor, where the sensor will be installed. So now let's begin it with it. So this is, as I earlier stated, this white one is a negative. So let's fix it. That's good. So you connect it like this. Well connected. Then the positive, you connect it. You can see the light is already on. Connect it like this. Connect it. Then the middle one is our sensor. So this is where the middle one comes in. You connect the middle one. So now this is it, the system is set. So how do you send the cable? As I earlier stated, you begin from where the box will be installed. From here, where this controller will be, you send your cable to where you will connect this light. So here, this is where we did our connection. Then this other one is equally sent here. And mind you, as I earlier stated, this system doesn't need a manual switch. What you need to do is, as soon as you start moving on your staircase, the light turns on its own. It doesn't need you to switch on any switch. As long as there is light present, the light will on its own. So now it has two sensors port. So this sensor port, you send it directly. This is our A, it senses your presence. It's like a switch. It senses your presence when you are climbing, when you are ascending the staircase. You send it to here. This is a 1, the sensor A. Then the other one, which is the sensor B. This sensor B had already been sent. You send it directly up to where the second sensor will be. So let me take you to where it is. One. So this is the sensor port. So imagine somebody is descending while you are ascending. It senses your presence. The light turns on here. While you are ascending, it senses your presence as well. It turns on too. So this is it. Let's go. So now let's test and see if what we did is correct. So in order for us to achieve that, what we need to do is this one is sensor A. You connect it to the A port. To the A port, this one here, which that begins from the ground. You connect it to the A port. If I connect it to the B port, if I sense it here, the light will start running from the first floor down instead of it beginning from here. So now let's do it. This is the A. Listen it. That's it. I've not connected this down one. Look at it here. That's why both of them are not on together. So this is it. Now let me remove it. If it stays for a while, the light will turn on its own. If you turn off on its own, listen, it's off. It's off. Now let me put it to the B port. If I put it to the B port, you know, when I connected this sensor to the A port, the light started from here to on. But if I put it to the B port, as soon as you start moving from the ground floor, from this A side, when you are ascending the staircase, the light will begin from up instead of it beginning from down. Now let's do it. So these are the things you take cognizance of, take note of. You don't make mistake. Now you see the light beginning from up. It is coming. The light is coming. Have you seen it? This is it. Have you seen it? And it's not supposed to be like this. And now, another thing is how to configure the system. This is very important. And this light, it has speed. You can control the speed and as well reduce its speed. So now let's configure it. So you long press this side of it. It has 2 buttons. This one here is for strip, or this one is for IC. Then this IC, you long press it until the light turns on. Have you seen? The light is on. Then you keep on doing it to configure the system in such a way that it will get to where the light ends. So you do it, you control the IC. So if I leave it here, this light, if I save it here and leave it, when the light turns on, it will end here, but that part will not be on. So let's try it. Now if you've done that, if you want to increase it, you keep on pressing it. You don't long press it. Keep on pressing it until it gets to the end where you install the light. So now let's test it here. If you've done that, you long press this IC button too. Long press it until the light turns off. As soon as the light turns off, now let's test it and see and confirm if what we did is correct. You see the light will move and get to that place and stop. The other part will not be on again. So let's do it. Now look at it. It will not exceed that point. Have you seen it? If I do again, it will not exceed. Now let's put it to the B port. If we put it to the B port, it will repeat the same thing. It will begin from up, then coming down. Now, have you seen it? So now let's do it in such a way that it will on off. So you long press this IC strip. Long press the IC strip setting, while this other side is strip setting. You long press the IC strip setting. Long press it until the light turns on. Then you configure it. If I can go, help me go up. Until it gets to the end. Awesome. switch now. Nah, you don't move. You don't reach. No. You don't reach.
Yeah. Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You don't reach, Abi?
Yeah.
Come. The last part where the light ends, you long press that same button until the light turns off. The light is off, everything is fixed now. So now let's test it and see the A port. Now, initially ended here, but now look at it. Let's get it to the end. The light is off. It comes in different levels. So now, if you want to increase the speed, this is what you do. Increase the speed. This blue side, this blue color, you look very well. You see the blue color. The lower the blue indicator, the lower the speed. So the higher the blue indicator, the higher the speed. Now look at, it's very fast. Not the red one, please. Then let's reduce it. This 2 is okay. Let's go. Like this is okay. Okay? Now 3. So that is it. If you watch this video up to this moment, if you are watching this on Facebook, just hit the follow button and don't forget to share the video, comment your thoughts, and turn on your notification icon. As I earlier stated, I will use the other controller to install it so that you will learn and install it on your own perfectly. So don't forget to click that subscription button. Click it, just tap it. It doesn't hurt. Thank you. And don't forget to share my video. So that's it. Good. Now look at them. Moving perfectly. So everything is set. Yes, this other one. So now let's begin. The down one is set. So let's assume you are descending the staircase. So let's see if it will work. So now the down one, as soon as you start ascending the staircase, the light comes on its own. So it does the same thing when you are descending. Now let's test it as well. The thing is set. It's not me now. So let's go. The job is done. That's it. So if you need this, just hit us up.